Welcome to Managing and Leading in Business, Module 6, Lecture 6 with Dr. Foster. In this module, we'll continue your examination into leading and managing in business with a look at the nature and importance of organizational communication and structure. In the previous two modules, we learned about a leader's role in creating a mission, vision, and culture for an organization, and how characteristics associated with emotional intelligence are beneficial to a leader's effectiveness. In this module, we will explore effective communication and how vital it is to all aspects of the leadership role. Without effective communication, leaders will be unable to share the goals of an organization, bring followers into alignment without those goals, or create a culture of climate of support. Let's begin. Communication is fundamental in organizations as it is the primary means of coordinating actions and achieving goals. It involves exchanging information between individuals through symbols, signs, or behavior. Managers spend a significant portion of their time communicating, and the effectiveness of this communication is closely tied to their performance. Effective communication is crucial as it can impact the workflow, employee satisfaction, and the reputation of an organization. Communication serves three main functions in an organization. It helps align individual efforts towards common organizational goals. It facilitates the flow of information necessary for decision making and task execution. It bonds teams, fostering unity during times of celebration or during crisis. Various barriers can impede effective communication. Manipulating information to manage reactions, filtering information to fit personal needs, being overwhelmed by excessive information, emotional states influencing message interpretation, distractions due to technical errors like internet issues. Let's take a look at the roles of ethics in communication. Ethics in communication is pivotal in fostering trust, transparency, and integrity within an organization. Ethical communication promotes truthfulness, accuracy, and respect, which helps in building a solid foundation for relationships with stakeholders, both within and outside the organization. Ethical communication should be grounded in truth and honesty. It involves providing accurate and complete information without deliberately misleading or withholding facts. Truthful communication establishes trust between the sender and the receiver, essential for effective relationships in the workplace. Ethical communication also involves respect for confidentiality. This involves safeguarding sensitive information and sharing it only with authorized individuals who have a legitimate need to know. Respecting confidentiality protects privacy. It builds trust and ensures that sensitive information does not lead to unattended negative consequences. Ethical communication also involves avoiding manipulation and deception. Ethical communication avoids manipulative practices designed to mislead or deceive others for personal gain. It helps maintain transparency and ensures that decisions made based on the information provided are fair and informed. Accountability. Ethical communication involves taking responsibility for one's words and actions. Accountability builds credibility as individuals and organizations are willing to own up to mistakes and take corrective actions when needed. Fairness and justice. Communication should be unbiased and provide a fair representation of facts and perspectives. Fair and just communication supports equality and impartiality, which is critical in maintaining trust and morale within an organization. Professionalism. Ethical communication upholds the standards and codes of conduct relevant to the industry or profession. Professionalism in communication ensures adherence to expected norms and standards, which helps protect the organization's reputation and legal standings. Understanding communication and organizational structure is crucial for effective leadership and management. Communication is the foundation of organizational success, influencing coordination, decision making, and overall efficiency. Effective communication ensures that all team members are aligned with the organization's goal and can collaborate efficiently. Organizational structure defines how information flows within an organization, impacting the clarity of communication and the speed of decision making. Centralized structures can lead to streamlined decision making, but may slow down responsiveness to changes. In contrast, decentralized structures can foster innovation and quick responses, but may lead to inconsistencies in communication and decision making. In any organizational structure, fostering open, transparent, and ethical communication is essential. It builds trust, aligns teams, and ensures that everyone is moving in the same direction. By understanding the interplay between communication and organizational structure, leaders can design and implement systems that promote a healthy, transparent, and efficient workplace where employees feel valued, informed, and motivated to contribute to the organization's success.